So this is what I'm starting with. 92 Ranger. A lot of work to do. Lots and lots to do. That real well. Cab corner. Bottom of the box here, the wheel well of the box. Bottom of the box there. Back bumper looks good, doesn't it? What's to do there? This side's not so bad. A little bit of work there. And the wheel well. Cab corner's going to be redone. And underneath there's a leak somewhere around the muffler. The engine brake has to be fixed. The bottoms of the doors are reasonably good. That fender's not too bad. Transmission one of the two. Start taking it apart. Got the grill and radiator out. Boy, can you ever tell this thing sat for 2 years? Antifreeze is brown, it's got a hell of a stink. Just took the grill and radiator out. That rotten mess right there. That's the lower rad support. And it is rotted. The more I look at it, the less happy I am about it. It's all tied into the entire front end of the truck. Look at that from this angle. It's all... where the rod is. All tied in here. That means this is going to be a fun adventure. Ain't I purty? Is there anything that you can't fix with a piece of galvanized steel? The front's not done yet. Spent all morning making this piece. I haven't got it fastened in yet. I'm just got it sitting in there. But you know what that means? That means I don't have to take the bastard out of the truck to fix it. And that makes me happy.